friends, this is the dashboard of the Galla app, and today we will explore retailer profile. So when you click on retailer profile, this page will appear. Here you will find retailers information like retailer name, phone number, email address, store code, store name, etc. If you wish to edit or update these details, click on this pan icon. Now here you can edit this detail, like you can make it active or inactive, maybe retailer detail, whatever you want, you can make the changes here. Now here we have another option, which is this. Click on this and here you will find retailer details again, the name, phone number, the status of the retailer, if it is active or inactive, transaction limits, package, etc. Here again we have the pan icon that will redirect you to the same page that we just explored. Once done, you can export this data to your desktop. Simply click on export, select the file format, CSV let's say, and the file will be automatically saved and exported to your desktop. So that is all about retailer's profile. Hope this helps. Thank you.